Hey everyone, welcome back to SOPTBASE. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Perplexity Comet Pro for free using your student ID. 100% legit, no tricks, no shady stuff. And trust me, once you unlock the Pro version, you will never use ChatGPT or Google the same way again. So let's not waste time. Let's get you upgraded to Comet Pro in just a few clicks. Alright, first scroll down and check the description box. You will find a link there. Click it. That will take you to the official Perplexity Comet site. Now just click on download, enter your email ID and hit continue. Once that's done, click download Comet now. Wait a few seconds and there you go. Comet is now on your system. Now let's unlock the magic, the Comet Pro plan for students. Open the Comet app from your desktop, click upgrade or view plan and then select the education option. Choose student and now, super important, fill out your name exactly as it's written on your college ID card. That means same spelling, same capital and small letters and even the same special characters if any. Don't miss a single thing. Then click verify my student status. Sometimes they'll ask you to upload your ID photo. Go ahead and do that. Hit continue and then again continue. And boom, you've officially unlocked Comet Pro Student Edition for free. And that's how simple it is. No credit card, no promo code, just your college ID and a few clicks. And there you go. That's how you unlock Perplexity Comet Pro completely. Free as a student. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Share it with your college group and subscribe to SOPTBASE for more insane AI hacks and tech tricks every week.